Step-by-step guide. How to do V-ups. 1. Lie flat on your back on the floor or an exercise mat. 2. Extend your arms straight overhead and your legs straight out. Your body should form a long line. 3. Keep your feet together and your toes pointed. Movement. 1. Engage your core muscles and simultaneously lift your legs and upper body off the floor. 2. Reach your hands toward your feet, aiming to touch your toes at the top of the movement. Your body should form a V shape at the top. 3. Hold the top position for a brief moment while squeezing your abs. 4. Slowly lower your arms and legs back down to the starting position under control. Don't let them touch the floor completely to keep tension in your abs. 5. Repeat for 10-15 reps, or as many as your core strength allows. Tips. Keep your core tight throughout the movement. Don't swing your arms or legs. Use controlled motion. Keep your lower back pressed into the mat to avoid strain. Exhale as you lift up, and inhale as you lower down. If it's too difficult at first, bend your knees slightly or try tuck V-ups. Bring knees to chest instead of straight legs. Benefits of V-ups. Strengthens the entire core, upper and lower abs in one move. Improves balance and coordination. Enhances core stability for better posture and daily movement. Builds explosive core strength. Helpful for sports and athletic activities. Helps tone and define the abs when paired with proper nutrition. Increases flexibility in your hamstrings and lower back. Thanks for watching. Check my next video.